Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
The Learn, Develop, Live podcast brings you another 1 minute of motivation with your quote for today. Don't be pushed around by the fears in your mind. Be led by the dreams in your heart. Fears and doubt will kill more dreams than anything else in the world, and that is a fact. Your mind will be full of reasons why you can't do this, that, or the other, but what are you going to do with that? Will you let that stop you, or will you let that follow your dreams and hopes and aspirations that you do want to lead to, that you know will give you a better life for you and others? Your mindset will decide which way you're going to go, and if you're moving towards the sunshine, or just the rain.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.